So here they are in Panama City after Hurricane Michael.
Places that twisted and uprooted. It's kind of like a tornado, except the houses aren't all flattened.
Interesting, like a tornado. So here's President Trump.
It's incredible with the power of this storm. Somebody said it was like a very wide, but you mean extremely wide tornado.
Right, again, somebody said it was like a very wide tornado. The guys driving in the car were saying that.
That's really what this was. This was beyond any winds that they've seen. I guess 50 years, but who knows? It could have been longer than that. Nobody.
It is 50 years. Now, I was in Hurricane Flora in 1963. I was living with my husband in the Tobago off Trinidad. And it hit us, and it was a Category 3 storm. It hit us at midday, but it went on to hit Haiti. I think it was Haiti, in the middle of the night, and killed thousands of people there. Another hit on Haiti. So
they've done a great job. I want to thank you.
I've had the opportunity every day to talk to the president, and
I guess 50 years, but who knows? It could have been longer than that. Nobody's seen anything. So they've done a great job. I want to thank you.
In one other aspect, he says, gusting up to 200 miles an hour, that we had gusts of probably not quite as much as that, but they were pretty shocking.
I've had the opportunity every day to talk to the president, and I've talked to Brock a lot, and everything I've asked the president for, FEMA's come through. We have a lot of work to do. We're still getting water out and getting food out. Our search and rescue teams have done a great job getting around the state. Highway Patrol, our National Guard, everybody. We called up 4,000 members of the National Guard. They're working day and night. We've got local law enforcement crews coming to augment our local law enforcement. We've got a great sheriff here. I'm not sure where he is. But we're going to do everything we can to get this community back to work. And I want to thank the president for always taking my call and showing up. And I want to thank the First Lady for being here and showing your support for the people here in Panama City.
And I just want to say the governor of Florida, Rick Scott, has done an unbelievable job. Everybody, we're meeting hundreds of people along with you, and they're all talking about the great job the governor's doing and everybody is doing together. So, Rick, I want to thank you.
It's been great coordination.
Thank you all very much. I've never looked behind you. I mean, these massive trees are just ripped out of the earth. We've seen mostly water, and water can be very damaging and horrible and scary, you know, when you see water rising 14, 15 feet, but nobody's seen anything like this.
In Tobago, we had 8 by 8 cocoa plantation or cocoa shed supports flying through the air, and corrugated iron that could literally decapitate you. We were up at the top of the island in Charlottesville, Manawar Bay, and I had my we had our 18-month-old baby son there. That was quite an experience.
This is really incredible. And the job they've done, first responders, FEMA, the job they've done is incredible. This road, 5 hours ago, you couldn't ride on it. And today, you see the trees are all pushed. Today, we're having not much of a problem.
Getting going.
It's just nice about Florida. People come together and help each other.
You know what? All my life I've said that.
Yeah.
Michael's been here for many hurricanes, and he said, but there's never been anything that you've seen like this.
There's never. I did not know before nature could be this bad.
Never been anything as bad as this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank y'all, gang. I hate y'all.
Here we go. Those trees ripped up. I watched whole sides of coconut trees coming down, all like just dominoes. Our roof lifted straight off. We ended up in the car, underneath the car in the inspection pit.
I've seen pictures, but it's hard to believe when you're above it in a plane and you see the total devastation. You see no houses left, not even the pads are left. It's incredible. And I have to say that the work that FEMA, first responders, local government, law enforcement is doing is incredible. You just saw Michael, who actually was about the only person in this area that wrote it out. He said he's never been so scared in his life, but he's never seen power like this. Trees coming down left and right. You see this?
Right. So he's never seen anything like this. And Trump is reiterating. Oops, Daisy. Now here's something that i-uv.com put up, and I subscribe to them. Urgent. Hurricane Michael was a targeted strike. So here we are coming down to this. I will put this link in the description box, and the BZ urges people to make copies of it. This is very interesting. I watched it last night. A very narrow corridor.
4:23 p.m. on October 10th, 2018. And as you can see by the pileup of icons here from my QuickTime player, I've tried to record this video several times, and my computer keeps crashing. I get about 60% of the way through the video, which hopefully won't be that long, and the recorder just says aborted, but it stopped. Please try recording again. So what I've decided to do is go through this old school, because I think the information that I have to share with you here is probably the most important information that I've gathered in the entire course of the investigation, short of any of the buoy datas that I've been able to show you where we don't have any hurricane wind speeds at any of the places where a hurricane allegedly hit.
Right. We don't have any of those wind speeds where the hurricane allegedly hit. Just to continue.
This time, folks, we actually do have a hurricane. And it's the way the hurricane hit that is of such great value. So I'm going to give you an overview here. What I'm going to demonstrate to you guys is that we did have a hurricane. We had a hurricane come in, and I actually captured it live as it was happening, and that was the first series of failures that my computer started to experience. And what I was showing you in that video was I was saying, let's do a walk down the beach. So I literally took you guys down here, and I show you that at Mexico Beach we had 80-mile-an-hour winds, but they...
Now you can see, I'll put the link in the description box, and you can see she walks through to every one of those points and actually correlates where the intensity of the storm was, which was Panama City. Now I'm also going to put this man's video in, and he was saying that actually they gave them wrong information as to where the hurricane was going. That happened in Hurricane Flora. We weren't even told that it was coming to us until it had passed.
They may not even care about certain relatives. I'm just saying that these storms are being controlled indirectly. So this is how we're looking at the news, thinking technology is telling us in advance. That's true, but it's also that these people know what they want this weather to do, and they're trying to manipulate it. They are manipulating it. They're beefing these storms up.
So check up on the HARP. Here we are, the HARP installation, HAARP, and check up what's happening. Love and light to you all. God bless, and safety for all those of you going through these ghastly weather and seriously dangerous weather conditions, which in my opinion have been manipulated to increase their intensity. Okay, this is Catania Alvin, or Project Truth Warrior, signing out. God bless. Bye.